hotter days, and if you are far away from the uh, equator, you will feel less hotter. So this is the reason.
What's your view, Arjit? Hello, Arjit. I think it's Arjit some network issue. Actually, Arjit is also class, I think, 6 or 7, 7th. Hello, Arjit.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
Good evening,
evening,
sir.
Pankaj. Good evening, everyone. Aryan
Yes, sir.
And Arjit.
and Arijit. So, how are things happening? Where are our children? Pankaj?
Yes, sir. Till now only two kids joined.
हाँ नहीं मैं एक what I was saying is that no allow these children to वही WhatsApp में जो है ना जो भी उनको डाउट होता है जो नहीं समझ पाते हैं if they can put it in the WhatsApp the question then we can come and is that possible?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. If any kids has question, then they can send. But till now, no any kids is sending.
Now, have you given them which WhatsApp group they have to send?
Yes, Aryan is also in one group and Arjit is also in the group. So
Yeah, whosoever is there once becomes no, so he can become
yes, yes,
member of that, and
yes,
then
yes, right.
उसका headline में लिख दिए post your questions. उनके दिमाग में जब आएगा, so they can just
Yes,
post
yes.
it, and then we can answer those. So Aryan, what are you doing nowadays? Preparing for your school exams?
Yes, sir.
When are your exams?
Man, sir, around 30 November. Sir, 30 November.
13.
Sir, 30 November.
13. Oh, I see. 13 December or November?
Sir, November.
नवंबर तो चला गया 13 नवंबर
No, sir, 30 November. Sir, 30 November.
Oh, 30, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I see that. And Arijit, you are also preparing for your exams?
Yes, sir. My exam is ongoing, so I'm preparing for my exams.
Oh, when are your exams?
Sir, my exams was starts from 20. I think 22 November.
आज तो 23 है ना?
Yes, sir. तो सर कल से तो सर मेरे एग्जाम ही स्टार्ट हुए तो.
Oh, yeah, also. So during your
Yes,
exam you have joined it. So that's very great.
thank you, sir.
So what was the exam today you had?
Sir, today is my Hindi exam.
Okay, and tomorrow?
Sir, tomorrow to Sunday.
वो कल संडे है मंडे को क्या है
सर मंडे को आई थिंक मंडे को मेरी मैथ्स है, मैथमेटिक्स एंड जीके.
Okay. So uh, अच्छा आप अभी let others also come but in the meantime so Aryan and Arijit so when you go to take your food do you wash your hands
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Why do you wash your hands?
So to wash away the germs.
What about Arijit? Do you wash your hands?
Yes, sir. I'm washing my hands before
But
eating my food.
but where from the germs come in your hand?
Uh,
Sir, sir, because of these bacteria, life is
Hmm.
sustainable. Because if there would be no bacteria or germs, these tiny microorganisms, so
Hmm.
there would be no life possible on Earth.
No, no, but how they come to your hand? Suppose how they reach your hand?
Sir, they're already there, sir.
No, no, but when you wash your hand, and suppose you don't wash it for say 6 hours or 8 hours, where from the germs will come?
Sir, from the air, etc. If you touch
Yeah,
things,
yes. In fact, they stick to your. You'll be surprised that if you look with a good microscope, you'll find that your hand, if it is not washed for let us say 6 to 8 hours, so a lot of germs are attached to your hand. These handles, handle door handles, then the cup in which you take your tea, is anything which other people use.
yes, sir.
They also add to the germs there, and then it reaches you. So it is very important. But how do you wash your hands?
Sir, with water.
Just water? Will it be okay?
No, sir, I don't think so.
Yeah, with water it is quite okay, provided the water speed is good. I think the germs will go away. But you
Yes,
can use okay all the time. It's not possible, but sometime at least before food, when you wash your hand, use a little bit of soap. No, not too much. Very little soap. You should use it.
yes, sir.
So. Uh, that's how you can keep your body safe.
Yes.
Just hello, hello. Sorry, I had a call. Acha, Pankaj ji,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pankaj ji, just I'll have to go for some 15-20 minutes. There is a guest who is waiting at the main gate.
Okay, okay, okay.
I'll bring. Then again, I'll join. Can you can you ask other Amarnath ji also to join so that he can carry on?
Yes, yes, sir. I am just sending message, sir.
Yeah. So
Sure, sir.
I'm just taking a small break.
Yes, yes, sure, sir.
Again, I'll
Okay,
come
sir.
back.
Yes, yes, yes. So here we seen first time Shravan. So Shravan, please say something about yourself. Hello, it's Shravan lefted. Yes, Aryan and Arjit. Yes, both are interested regarding science. So please talk any
Yes.
topic regarding science. Arjit and Aryan, yes.
So, Arijit, do you know about special relativity or anything else?
no, no,
Okay. So, do you have any idea about these two?
no. I think little.
Okay. So, so can you explain to me what is the simple things in them?
No, but uh, no, I have no idea about that.
What? I didn't understand you, Arjit.
Hello.
Yes.
So I'm not idea about that. So
Okay. So any other theories you know about, Arjit?
yes,
Any?
yeah, Han. So
Yes.
I know about Einstein's theory of equal to mc square. So can you explain me what is equal to mc square?
So okay. So it says that anything there has a mass defect. So that would be like if I have 100 kilograms of uranium and the mass defect of that is maybe like take 1%. So what is 1% of 100? That is 1. So we will multiply it by 1 multiplied by a speed of light squared. So there would be a 9 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 16 joules of energy. So yes, this thing states that everything can be turned into energy. So yes, this thing states that.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
Good evening, Piyush. Hello, Piyush.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have any question, any doubt, or you want to say something regarding science?
No, sir, I am a no person.
You have no question.
Yes, sir.
So you want to say something regarding science? You know, it's a, because just Mallik sir left our session. They told us regarding he will join after 10 minutes. Yes. So
Okay, sir.
we need to talk regarding science. You want to say something regarding science?
No,
Anything
sir.
you have no anything. So
Question, sir. Question.
so Piyush,
Hello.
I think Piyush and Arjit both are reading in class 7th.
Yes, sir.
Piyush, you are also in class 7.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so you can talk any science
So,
chapter,
sir,
which chapter right now finished you last week and now started anything. Yes, yes, Arjit.
sir, my question is for Aryan. One more time. Hello, Aryan. Can you hear me?
Yes.
So, can you tell me about plants reproduction? Plants reproduction.
So yes. So what happens that uh, there is a part of the flower that produces the pollens, and what happens that there is a there are some types of animals, the bees. What happens when they collect nectar, the pollen gets stick to their body, and what happens that when they go to other flowers, the pollen grains just fall out of it and goes to the male, I think so, another part of the flower, and I think so that is flower reproduction, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So Pankaj sir, hello Pankaj sir, are you here?
Yes, Aryan.
So sir, can I present a sir, can I present something about science?
Okay, okay, Aryan.
Okay, sir. So, okay. So yes, today, right now, I'm going to talk about general relativity and special relativity. So, in this, we are going to discuss what are the differences in them. So, everybody should we start? Arjit, should we start? Arjit, I can't hear you.
Yes, Aryan, we start.
Okay. So, so in uh, so wait a minute. I think so. There is some problem.
Okay.
So just wait 1 minute. So yes, right now we are going to start with the introduction to relativity. So in this presentation, we are going to know about relativity and what impact it has on us. So relativity is a theory developed by Albert Einstein in the early 20th century. So it consists of two main theories, special relativity and general relativity. So together they revolutionized our understanding of space, time and gravity. So yes, now we're going to start. So before Einstein, so Newtonian physics dominated the understanding of motion and gravity. The early 90s saw a need to reconcile electromagnetic theory with a classical mechanics. So Einstein theories emerged from the need to explain phenomena that Newtonian physics could not. So yes, so special relativity overview. So the special relativity was introduced in 1905 on inertial frames of reference. So it was based on two postulates. It consists of the speed of light and the principles of relativity. So the theory fundamentally challenged the concepts of time and space. So what it states that special relativity says that space and time are just both one thing. Space and the speed of light. So the speed of light in a vacuum is constant and does not change irrespective of the observer's motion. So this principle leads to the conclusion that time and space are interconnected. So observers moving at different velocities will measure time and distance differently. So yes, this is the thing that I told, that space and time are interconnected and are called space-time and time dilation. So it is a phenomena where time passes at different rates for observers in different frames. A moving clock takes slower compared to a stationary clock from the perspective of an observer. This effect has been confirmed through experiments such as those involving fast moving particles. So, if you are near a black hole where the gravity is very strong, what happens that if you go near the event horizon, what happens that the time will pass same as per your perspective, but the person on the other side will see you freeze and just disappear. So yes, this is the concept of time dilation, where at different places the because of gravitational influence, the time passes differently for an observer. So, ladies and gentlemen, any questions for me? Yeah, I don't think so. So, Poonam, what's the question?
Then I can't understand what time dilation. Can you tell me about what is time dilation in a brief? In a brief,
Can you repeat? Your voice was buffering. I think so. He's so yes. So length contraction. Okay. So I think what was the question?
yes, Aryan. My question is for time dilation. Can you tell me about in brief about time dilation? In a
So
brief.
like imagine that there are two people. Uh, your friend is going near a black hole, and for you, what happens that you will see that your friend is slowing when he reaches the horizon. What will happen? That he will freeze and fade away. But according to perspective, the time is moving. What we call at the same speed. And another example, if uh, I'm on Earth, and if there are two twins and one stays on Earth and the other one goes in a rocket that is traveling around the speed of light. So when the Earth twin becomes 80 years around, the other twin will be only just 20 years old. So this is the effect of time dilation. So did you get it, Ajit?
Uh, yes, yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So length contraction states that objects are measured to be shorter in the direction of motion. So this effect becomes significant as an object speed reaches the speed of light. So length contraction it is not noticeable at every speed, but it is a fundamental aspect of relativity. So what happens that mm, if I am spinning and my arms are open, so what happens that I will if I will go faster if I put my hands down to me. So yes, this is and mass energy equivalence. So one of the key outcomes of special relativity is the equation E equals mc squared 2. So this equation expresses the equivalence of mass and energy, indicating that they are interchangeable. It suggests that a small amount of mass can be converted into a large amount of energy. So it states that every object is just a manifestation of energy. So if I take kgs of uranium, mass of that is maybe 10%. So that would be around 10 kgs. And if I put into this equation, so I will get around 90 multiplied by 10 to the power of 16 joules of energy. So this thing states that. And yes, and one more thing. Some people say that if antimatter and matter collides, it the effect of that would be 100%, but non-practical call evidence of that is there. So, ladies and gentlemen, any questions for me? Arijit, do you have any questions?
Yes, my question uh, is what is velocity?
Philo- um, okay,
Velocity. Velocity.
philosophy.
Yeah.
So, you That is simple. That is speed. You can the speed.
I can't understand.
Rigid, it is speed. So velocity, in simple words, we can also say that it's speed.
Okay.
So yes, and moving to our next topic, it is about general relativity overview. So this thing was published in 1915. So it extends the principle of special relativity to include gravity also. So it describes gravity not as force, but as the curvature of space-time caused by mass. This theory provides a more comprehensive understanding of gravitational phenomena. So it describes the gravity as a force, but it is the outcome of the curvature of space-time caused by massive objects. So, and it is also said that it also affects time also. If an object is very massive, so it will have gravitational fields. So that will also affect time also. So this is the general relativity overview. Space-time concepts. So the space-time combines the three dimensions of space within the four of time into a single four-dimensional continuum. Massive objects like planets, stars form the fabric of space-time around them. This curvature influences the motions of other planets, leading to the effect we perceive as gravity. So yes, as you can see in the picture, that it combined all three physical features and one of time also. So yes, and the effect that we see in massive objects is gravity. So it is just an illusion of the what we can call space-time curvature. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, any questions for me? Arijit, do you have any questions?
No, no.
So yes, the equivalence principle. The equivalence principle states that local observations in a free falling elevator are indistinguishable from in deep space without gravity. This principle led Einstein to conceive gravity as a geometric property of space-time. It has profound implications for understanding gravitational effects on time and space. So yes, if so that Earth, if you throw, it will fall down. But if you're in a rocket accelerating through the sky at around 9.8 meters per second, you will see that there is gravitational field. So if in that rocket, if I drop something, it will come down. So yes, this thing states that. So predictions of general relativity. So general relativity has several predictions that have been experimentally verified. These include gravitational time dilation, the bending of light around massive objects, and the existence of black holes. So such predictions have confirmed through observations and experiments, solidifying the theory's credibility. So, la- so Arijit, do you know about that thing where a massive object bends the light around it? Okay, I don't think so. So this happens all the time near massive objects because the gravity, light, and time are affected near a massive object because of space-time curvature. And the space-time curvature also produces the illusion of gravity that we see. So yes, black holes are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape from them. So these are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity after exhausting nuclear fuel. The event horizon marks the boundary beyond which no information can escape a black hole. So yes, because of this thing, it has so much mass that it, it has a very high gravitational field where light, gravity, time bend. Yes, this is why we experience time bending, etc. So now gravitational waves. So gravitational waves are ripples in time caused by accelerating massive objects such as merging black holes. So Ajit, what's the question?
So my question is that the, can we uh, can we experience time dilation through black holes only?
No, no, you can experience anywhere. So like our Earth makes time slower by so much percent that I uh, express the values. So yes, it can happen anywhere. If you are near the sun, time dilation will happen, and the time for you for the other observer will slow down. So yes,
Okay, thank you.
so their existence was predicted by general relativity, confirmed by LIGO in 2000. The direction of gravitational waves opened a new era in astrophysics, allowing us to observe cosmic events. So yes, gravitational waves happen when two black holes combine. So yes, these are very only are formed when very massive objects combine, and then that could happen with a neutron star also, like a neutron star and a black hole. So yes, experimental evidence. So general relativity has been confirmed through numerous and obs- and observations such as the bending of light during eclipse. So the GPS systems account for both special and general relativity to provide accurate positioning data. So the observations of binary pulsars have also provided strong evidence for the predictions of general relativity. So yes, in modern physics, so both special and general relativity have increased modern physics and cosmology significantly. So these are fundamentals for understanding the universe and have implications for particle physics and cosmological models. So the theory helps explain phenomena from the behavior of subatomic particles to the dynamic of galaxies. So yes, right now I've ended. So yes, I hope that you have liked it. So does anybody have any question for me?
What is phenom-
I didn't get your question.
what is phenomena?
Mm, I think so. I think so you're saying phenomena. It is a rare fact or event. So yes. Any other questions for me? Malik
So,
sir, do you have questions for me?
Aryan, I think we have given a very good presentation. So, what will happen when we'll be approaching? Let us say, suppose we go to a black hole.
Yes.
And what will happen is that one is that
That
the time will run slower and slower as we approach it. Plus, the space will get dilated, means we will get stretched. So Aryan will become very tall gradually.
yes.
Hundred kg, the force which the 100 kg will exert on the earth, and the earth, the force which the earth will exert,
Sir, 100 kg.
no, no, the force which the earth exerts on the 100
Sir,
kg, that will be more. That will be more, is it?
yes, sir. Sir, but the gravitational acceleration is the same, right?
Acceleration is the same, so, but what about the force?
Sir, it would be more.
Yeah, yeah. What about our other gentleman, Arijit?
Sir,
Question that 100
सर इसका सिंपल सा सर आई थिंक आंसर होगा
to 100 kg ball, दोनों एक समय में ही छोड़ देते हैं, तो कौन सा बॉल पहले गिरेगा?
सर जैसे आई डोंट नो
100 kg बॉल पर तो फोर्स बेसी होगा.
यस सर
Gravity इक्वल फोर्स लगाती है,
Yes, sir.
उसका नहीं, ग्रेविटी माने कौन, अर्थ जो है ना 100 केजी बॉल पर अधिक फोर्स लगाएगी या 1 केजी बॉल पर अधिक फोर्स लगाएगी? हेलो, या Aryan, you want to say something?
Sir, maybe same.
It will be
Same.
same with what, with what?
Sir, acceleration of those.
I'm not talking about acceleration, I'm talking about force.
No, sir, if they fall,
Between a 100 kg ball and a earth will exert gravitational force on 100
yeah,
force on the earth. So which force will be more?
sir, the earth.
The force which the earth exerts on the ball, is it?
Yes.
The, sure. 100 kg.
Sir, I think
So you are saying that the force will be more, and on 1 kg the force will be less, is it? What is constant?
so the gravitational acceleration of the earth 9.8 meters per second.
That is called G. That is the acceleration whenever there is a force. Now Newton said very nicely. People didn't know until if there is no shadow force acting, no acceleration. So there is acceleration. Force. So G is acting. Force Earth is acting on the ball.
Yes.
So the force is how much? G, force is equal to G into M1 into M2 by R square, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So here M1 is the mass of the Earth, M2 is that 100 kg ball.
Yes.
And in case of 1 kg, it will be 1 kg ball. So the force will be more or less
Sir, more.
in case of 100 kg.
Sir, I am answer.
What is your answer?
And 100 object on Earth. Gravitation
the Earth. But in case of 100 kg and 1 kg, the acceleration due to gravity means the speed with which it will come, they will be same. Aryan, you are correct there. But these are the arguments. So this what do you call? Um, mm, was it Galileo? Or sorry, just now I forget. So he went to the top of the tower. From there, he threw the two objects of different mass,
Yes.
and they all fell to the earth at the same time. But in practice, they will not fall at the same time because the resistance, air resistance, and all that will be different. And now, what happens to the suppose from you are going in a plane, and suppose I throw you out of the plane, what will happen to you?
Sir, I will fall.
You'll fall with what acceleration as g,
Yes.
just as a ball falls, is it?
Yes. No, sir. No, sir. Sir, I
Then,
think so. It's air resistance.
so what happens if there is air resistance?
Sir, you would slow down.
You will slow down. Then what will happen?
Sir, you will fall, but at a slower rate.
Because of the air
Yes,
resistance. Yeah,
sir.
that is why those skydivers are there. They keep on floating in the sky.
Yes.
Have you seen those pictures? It's
Yes,
because
sir.
of the air resistance. They do not fall as per the gravity, but there is a gravitational force is there, and there is the air resistance. So there are two forces acting on it, and anybody acquires something like terminal velocity. The word used is terminal velocity. Here someone is asking the question. Yeah, what is that question? Is
No,
it
sir.
Yes,
Arjit?
yes, Pius,
No,
Pius.
not Arjit. Piyush. Piyush, where are you asking a question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, my question is:
Hmm.
are we alone in the universe?
You will be alone in the universe. Okay, why? Yeah, okay,
No, sir.
fine. Suppose
Sir,
you
I
are.
know. Sir,
Yeah, please go ahead. Yes.
sir, the thing that he's referring is to the Fermi paradox. So what happens that it states some things that says that there can be a great filter where after a life develops on a planet, what happens that it gets wiped out or it passes that the great filter, and that great filter could be that a black hole would be near its solar system, a asteroid fell on them, like the dinosaurs case. So yes, and other can be that they have passed the great filter and they are keeping an eye on us. And
Mm-hmm.
one more thing that it states about the dark forest, it says that if you are in the dark forest and you want to stay alive,
Hmm.
you would stay silent, etc., to make sure that you survive. So maybe like the other people will not be sending radio waves, etc., because our radio waves just sound gibberish after some few light years. So yes, and we only reach only around light years of the area of the Milky Way, which is very small. So that can be one of the reasons. And
Mm-hmm.
what happens that the intelligent terrestrial life has found us, but thought that we were primitive and left us because if they are just 1 million light years away, they would see us just developing our two. So yes, if something is around 60 or 50 light years away from us, it would be seeing the 90s. So yes, this can be one of the reason. And one thing, if it is 5 billion light years away from us, it would see that the solar system has not formed yet. So that can be one of the reasons also.
Yeah, yeah, this is very, yes, very interesting. आप was saying, Arijit, could you understand what Aryan is saying? Is a very interesting thing, you know.
No, sir. Can Aryan tell us again?
Yes. So, Aryan, can you make him understand?
तो क्या होता है कि एक ग्रेट फिल्टर होता है, उसके बाद बहुत सारी सिविलाइजेशन जैसे खत्म हो होती है, कोई एस्ट्रॉइड आ गया, हम जैसे गिर गया हम पे, जैसे डायनासोर के केस पर। और
Yes.
चीज जब हम लोग 4 से 5 बिलियन लाइट ईयर्स अवे होंगे हमसे, तो वो देखेंगे कि हमारा सोलर सिस्टम बना नहीं है या बनने जा रहा है। सो अगर वो 1-2 मिलियन लाइट ईयर्स दूर हो, तो वो देखेंगे हम लोग अभी भी जस्ट एनिमल्स हैं, हंट वगैरह करते हैं हम लोग जैसे। और तीसरी थी वो ग्रेट डार्क फॉरेस्ट, कि अगर एक शिकारी जिंदा रहना चाहता है तो वो साइलेंट रहेगा। और क्या हो सकता है कि बाकी लोग अपने रेडियो वेव्स ये सिग्नल्स ना भेजें, क्योंकि हमारे सिग्नल्स कुछ 10-15 लाइट ईयर के बाद ही गिब्रिश साउंड करते हैं, जैसे साउंड करते हैं। सो दैट कैन बी वन ऑफ द रीजंस। सो यही है।
In short, what Aryan is saying something very interesting. Arijit, if you want to how you look like when how you were born, how you ran as a kid, small kid, 1 month,
So you
3 months.
will travel.
So you have to travel to, yes. Suppose your age is 20 years, then you have to 20 light years में जो स्टार है वहां पर जाकर चले जाओगे ना, तो वहां से तुम देख पाओगे कि तुम कितने छोटे बच्चे थे।
सर क्योंकि लाइट की फाइनाइट स्पीड होती है।
Yeah, yeah. Provided you go at much higher speed, then only you can go there.
Yes.
So some a star, suppose it is 20 light years away from us, we'll now be seeing Arijit is taking birth.
Yeah. Sir,
Then
and
he's playing.
sir,
He
like
won't be able to see you that you are participating in this Pankaj ji ka program. Mein. He can only see that you are getting born and then you are crying and things like that.
sir, and what happens that if I observe a black hole 5 to 6 billion light years away, and if its mass is around 100 billion solar masses, and but in reality it would be larger because information travels at a finite speed, so it would be larger. So yes, uh,
Yeah.
yes. So and if what happens that अगर कोई चीज हमसे 2-3 बिलियन लाइट ईयर्स अवे है, और वह हम देखते हैं कि वो उसकी लाइफ स्पेन अराउंड 10 बिलियन साल की है, और हम लोग उसका 9 बिलियन साल का देखते हैं, तो वो पहले से ही मर चुका है, यानी कि he has already done the novas etc.
You're right.
Oh, yes. Okay.
So Arjit, did you understand what is he saying? And then we have this Harshvardhan, no? You're Harshvardhan, isn't it?
Yes, sir. A king in India, in ancient India.
No. We have this participant. एक तो आर्यन तुम हो, एक अरिजीत हैं, और ये जो पूनम जो है,
Ma'am, where?
ओम
Sir.
प्रकाश जी भी ज्वाइन किए हुए हैं अभी। पूनम जो है, तो उसका नाम तो हर्षवर्धन है ना?
Oh, sir.
No, Arjun.
Arjit sir. Poonam is Arjit
Poonam
and
is an,
Piyush.
then Piyush is there. Yeah, yeah. Poonam is
Sir,
Arjit and Piyush is Piyush.
sir, who is
Right,
sir,
right.
who is Harshvardhan?
No, no, Harshvardhan.
No, no. There was one boy had come. No, sorry, I was mistaking him for that.
Yeah.
So Piyush, did you understand what Aryan is saying? Are you convinced?
Yes, sir.
Are you convinced what Aryan is saying? Are you interested to see how you were born and what you did in your childhood?
Yes, sir.
Then you have to go to a star about 20 light years away.
Okay, sir.
So there you'll have to go, and then from there you can see how you were born, how you cried when you were born, and everything, and how you played when you were a small kid, and all that you'll be seeing. All you have to do, you have to go 20 light years away.
Yeah, sir.
Sir, uh,
Yes,
Amarnath sir has joined, sir.
yes. Amarnath ji, namaskar.
Namaskar to all of you.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes.
We are discussing, Amarnath ji, that the young children, they want to see their childhood. So Aryan has made a suggestion that you all have to go to a star 30, 40 light years away to see your childhood.
No, sir, it depends on their age.
Yeah, it depends on the age. So suppose your age is 40 years, then you have to go 40 light years away. The only problem is how to reach there, because by the time how to reach there,
Yes, sir.
उसमें ही 40 light years लग जाएगा, 40 years लग जाएगा.
Sir, and one more thing that this can happen because there is one thing, warp drive. So it suggests that we can travel about 670 trillion miles in a second by what can call space drive. I don't think so. I can explain it well. So what happens that we let the cosmos move ourselves. So, mm, sir, I won't be able to explain this one.
No, again, these are hypotheses. There is no evidence of all these.
Yes, sir.
Basically, there is no evidence of existence of tachyons.
No, sir. I am talking about space warp, space drive. You can say.
Yeah.
So it lets the cosmos uh, move you. So it can travel about 670 trillion miles per second. Sir, but I still have a little idea about it. So yes,
670 trillion miles, how many in per
per
second?
second. Yes, sir.
No, well, these are all hypotheses.
Yes, sir.
It's not part of any regular science.
Yes.
So
So
these things always can be questioned. And basically, whosoever makes a statement like this has to prove it. In science, we ask that you make a statement we should always ask the question why, how, everything. So,
okay.
Om Prakash ji, आप कैसे हैं?
Yes, sir, I am fine, sir. So today I am going to duty. So right now in my bus, company bus.
अच्छा, okay.
Yeah, yes, sir. So I carefully I will listen to all the things there and yes, sir.
अच्छा.
Yes, sir. So Maharashtra is winning the Mahayuti Sarkar is come.
या इंडिया में तो टीवी देखना माने इलेक्शन ही देखना है. एवरी वीक कहीं ना कहीं इलेक्शन होता ही रहता है.
Yes, sir. 2040 from the 2040 it is change. So every year interest everyone know very much more person having the interest in political. So it will be impact also our the personal life. So that's why people are interested in this.
Even Amarnath ji, in the USA, is experiencing the, what do you call, the impact of the elections.
But sir, Mamta Didi win his TMC 6 seat in Bengal.
Yes, he will always win. So, Amarnathji, what is your assessment of Trump deciding on the ministers? They don't appear. They appear to be all
You guys are talking about
politicals.
Trump, and I'm listening Modi ji right now.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I'm listening his live speech on the computer, so that's why I switched to my phone so that I can talk to you guys also. See this?
Yeah,
This
I can hear it.
yeah, it's see that? Modi ji here. Yeah. So Modi ji is giving the victory speech right now. I'm listening that.
Every month,
Yeah,
yeah.
we'll talk about Trump some other time. I mean, it's right now still going on. So
In India, you see, we have election every month somewhere.
yeah, we need to do this one just like US, one day election.
Yes,
2 years.
It, I have stopped listening to the election news now anymore. I don't. I have switched off the TV. The reason being that same thing being told again and again.
I think, sir, in India, election and festival always
But
present.
Actually, India is the only country where there is endless festivals and endless elections. And
yeah.
and still we are doing very well. That's good news. Oh, looks like the God is the only one who is working for India.
Yeah, it is very interesting. But by the way, India recently has tested hypersonic ballistic missiles.
Agni 5, right? I think so.
Which one?
Sir, Agni 5 maybe. Sir, are you
Sorry,
talking?
yeah,
Sir,
your
are
voice
you
is.
talking about Agni 5?
Yeah, I don't know what is the name of that, but recently tested.
Sir, it goes about 23 to 24 the times of the speed of sound.
23? No, that's too much.
No, sir, it is around that speed only.
Oh
Yes, sir.
no, like the Russia which sent the missile on Ukraine, that is 5 to 6 times the speed of sound.
No, sir, I think you haven't checked the. Sir, there is this new ballistic missile about Agni 5. So
Hmm.
it was around 23 to 24 the times of speed of sound.
Oh, I have to check,
Yes, sir.
because in case of 23 to 24 times, there will be terrible atmospheric disturbance.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have to check. तो पंकज जी अभी तो ब्रेक करते हैं. Our young kids are having exam and Amarnath ji is having election news to hear.
Yes, sir.
And
It is
our
also nice.
young kids are having exams. So let them
Yes.
prepare for the exams.
Sure.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye bye to everyone. Amarnath ji.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Okay,
Yeah.
bye.